everyone, it's Ashley with Southern Sewing Company. Welcome back to my channel. This week we are talking all about the questions that you guys have about how to hand embroider a swaddle blanket. So I get lots of questions, email, DM, Instagram, and I'm so excited to answer them. There are several that I see more than others. If you haven't caught my recent videos, we've already talked about hoop tension and that fun blue contraption that I use to trace my names onto my stabilizer. I am answering a question from Carolyn from my website. She asked how to thread a needle, and I know this can be a little frustrating when you're trying to get all 6 strands of embroidery floss through your little embroidery needle. So I'm here to help today. First thing I'm gonna show you, the needle that I use is really small. These are actually leather needles and they're super sharp and I love them. I've got so used to using them, but the eyes are super small, so I really have to struggle to get my thread through here. I've contemplated switching full-time to a hand embroidery needle, but I just love these so much, so I just use them. So to thread my needle, I'm kind of old school and I will cut the end of my thread at an angle, lick the end really well, and then slide it right through the eye. I have a pretty small eye on my needle, but if that's too difficult, if you still are having trouble with this, the next thing that I can recommend is getting some kind of a tool. This is a needle threader, and my favorite thing about this is there's 3 different sizes. So you can use little thread, you can use hand embroidery floss, or you can use yarn, which is perfect for the knit sweaters that I do. So let me open this baby. Let's do this thing. I have, like I said, a pretty small eye on this needle, and even the smallest section I can't fit through here, so I'm gonna get this flexible point and stick it through the needle. And then pull. So that's definitely an easier option if you're having trouble. There you go. Thank you, Carolyn, for your question. Check the link in the description box below if you would like to find the full tutorial, and let me know if you have any more questions. Thanks, y'all.